Van Gintley on the Suzuki. Happy Siren, the fastest
We saw it in Phillip Island. Will we see it again here in the back? Rossi up the inside. And the roar is run wide, but not enough. It's going to these two, no love lost anymore. It's a straight war between these two.
I did not expect to see that.
Marquez lost the rear. He got on the gas and round it went. We've seen him down his elbow.
He's got problems. He can't talk that.
He tore his elbow out in qualifying. If you saw that particular. Now he didn't go down, and now Marquez is chasing. Lorenzo is inflicting.
But the Albons would be off.
Smart money. We're through turn 12. We're on to turn 13.
Thank you.
On to turn 13 now. I wonder where Danny sits in all of this. It was the wrong words. I take it back. There's no playing going on here. They're both as serious as they can be. Here comes Marquez up the inside, and that blocks off Valentino again. This is an absolute war. We saw them come together at Argentina when front wheel touched back wheel. That really cost Marc Marquez. It slung him up the road massively. This time, look at that.
Oh, that's tough.
Very fair. No, it's fair.
Of course.
Tough but fair. Brilliant. Brilliant motorcycle racing. Two of the very best in the world. An icon, a legend.
Two of the best
up by a youngster.
Two of the best we've ever seen
in the world. You're going to see more passes in this lap between these two than you probably see the entire race on track. That is turn 9 up there. Oh, now, that through 10, rising up to 11. Quick nod to Marco Simoncelli here, and again, he looks to the right, he lost the front and third.
JP tingkat dunia hari ini telah selesai. Penyiaran masuk. Ya, kurang manuk. Kurang manuk. Kurang baik. Jogo tenang kok tarung. Tenang kok tarung jagone. Ya, oke. Tenang kok tarung. Oh, ya, minuman ya. Oke, lanjut sampai minuman. Yuk,